Grammar exercise for beginners. Number 1. A or un. Number 1. Filling a or un. The first one, apple. A is a vowel, so you put un, an apple. Next one, hamster. H, a consonant, you put a hamster. Next one, sweater. S is a consonant, you put a sweater. And next one, hamburger. H is a consonant, put a hamburger. And next one, dog, consonant, a dog. Next one, pen, a pen. Next one, uniform. U is a vowel, but the first sound is not a vowel. U. So it's going to be a uniform instead of ununiform. A uniform. And next one, banana. Consonant, a banana. And box, a box. Friend, a friend. And next one, ugly. U is a vowel. It has a vowel sound, so it's going to be on ugly t-shirt. And next one, English. E is a vowel. It has a vowel sound, so on English book. Next one, iPod. I is a vowel. It has a vowel sound, so on iPod. Next one, interview. I is a vowel with a vowel sound, on interview. And folder. This is a consonant, a folder. Octopus. O is a vowel, so on octopus. Beautiful dress. B is a consonant, a beautiful dress. And next one, angry man. A is a vowel, on angry man. And ice cream. I is a vowel, on ice cream. And duck. D is a consonant, a duck. The next word is umbrella. U is a vowel with a vowel sound. It's going to be an umbrella. And next one, animal. A, an animal. Next one, cheeseburger. C is a consonant, a cheeseburger. Next one, window. W is a consonant, a window. And next one, horse. H is consonant, a horse. And next one, elephant. E is a vowel with a vowel sound, an elephant. Laptop. L is a consonant, a laptop. Computer. C is a consonant, a computer. Waiter. W is a consonant, a waiter. And next one, exam. And E is a vowel with the vowel sound, so an exam. Old house. O is a vowel with the vowel sound, it's an old house. Next one, chair, a chair. And next one, ox, an ox. Next one, table, a table. Next one, book, a book. And next one, ant, is going to be an ant. Next one, internet server. So it's going to be on internet server. Next one, eraser, an eraser. And the next one is sofa. S is a consonant, a sofa. And the last one, school, a school.